Hello, my name is Nito Krishna Nugroho. We'll be presenting about conventional ignition system. The following is a picture of an ignition system circuit consisting of a battery, ignition coil, platina or breakpoint, condenser, rotor, and spark plug. A conventional is a system that serves to provide a spark on the spark plug by raising the battery voltage to a high voltage or on the coil with the help of platinum or breaker point to break the primary current or from the battery. Ignition system has several functions. Function 1. Creating spark in the combustion chamber. Function 2. Set the ignition time. Function 3. Arrange the division of spark into each cylinder. Component and function. Component 1. Battery. Function to provide a low voltage 12 volt electric current the ignition coil. Component 2. Ignition coil. Serves to raise the battery voltage 12 to high voltage 10 kV or more needed for ignition. Component 3. Distributor. Serves to devise or distribute the high voltage that has been generated by the ignition coil to each cylinder. Distributor have several components consisting of 1. High voltage cable, 2. Rotor, 3. Platina or breaker point, 4. Vacuum advancer, 5. Centrifugal governor advancer, 6. Cam or knock, 7. Distributor cap, 8. Condenser. Component 4. Spark plug. Serves to trigger spark. How the ignition system works. When platinum closes, at this time the current flow from the battery will flow the ignition primary coil to platina and to the mesh. Because the primary coil in the ignition coil is flowed, there will be a magnet inside the coil. When platina is opened, when the ignition on and platina open, the primary current flowing from the battery to the mesh will be interrupted. In this condition, in this condition, there will be a change in the magnetic field, or also called a filing magnet. When the magnetic change are very fast and only for a moment in the ignition coil, then there will be a self-induced voltage in both the primary and secondary circuit. Thank you and hope it is useful.